What's up guys, Daniel Ndukwu here once again, and in this video I'm going to be sharing a Thinkific review. I'm going to show you exactly what it brings to the table. I'm going to show you how the platform looks, how it feels, and really just give you a solid overview of what Thinkific is and what it isn't, and whether it's a good choice for hosting your online courses. A direct link to Thinkific is down in the description below. If by the end of this review you're cool with it, you like it, then make sure you grab that. Now, if you're interested in understanding different online business tools, different tools to make money online, affiliate marketing, and all of that good stuff, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And of course, like this video for the YouTube algorithm. Let's dive in. Now, Thinkific was founded in 2012 by a squad of entrepreneurs, not one, not two, but an actual squad. And it was conceived in response to a need. The original founder actually came in, he hosted his own online course and actually outstripped the money he was making from his career. And people are like, man, how do you do this? And that is when Thinkific was born. So he teamed up with a couple other entrepreneurs, and the rest is, as they say, history. Since then, it has grown into a company with over 50,000 customers, and those customers have produced hundreds of millions of dollars through the platform. It really brings together solid customer support, a solid platform, and solid marketing tools. Let's look at one of those pieces of the puzzle, the features, and really consider what Teachable brings to the table. Teachable has a lot of the standard tools you'll expect in an online course platform. It has a drag and drop course editor. So like when you're creating your lessons, you can drag them around, rearrange them. It has video and text support. You can easily create quizzes and surveys for your students through integrations and natively. You can drip content out over extended periods, because one of the problems with online courses is really overwhelm. You just drop someone in like a 10 module course and they don't know where to start, where to end, and they end up not completing it, right? And Thinkific has done a lot with its user interface to encourage people to finish courses. And that's really important in the grand scheme of things, because it's really easy to buy a course, forget about it, and then ask for a refund after like a day before the refund period ends because you didn't end up using it. So Thinkific is kind of designed, without you doing anything else on your part, to get people into the course and really using the course itself so that your refunds will be much lower and your completion rates will be much higher. And so they have integrations with PayPal and Stripe, and they don't really hold on to your money. It's immediately available in your Stripe or in your PayPal account. But the challenge with that is you have to pay those processing fees through PayPal and Stripe, which usually 2.9 plus 30% or 3.9 plus 30% per transaction. So you can also set different plan tiers per course. So maybe you want to add some coaching on one end and another version doesn't have any coaching, or you want to add some extra content, whatever the case may be. So you can actually do like a $199, $299, $399 course, and maximize your revenue through that avenue. They also support building your own website, and they have a couple templates that they claim are designed for conversions. But I always recommend going with building your own site. Although these templates are okay and they're mobile optimized, you can do much better if you get a designer, or if you have some design chops, you can do much better by just designing a full-blown course site yourself and then using like a subdomain to host your course, your actual courses, or your actual school. So Teachable also supports SEO so that your course landing pages, etc., can get found in search engines. So you also have more flexibility about the availability of your course. It can be evergreen content that is anyone can enroll at any time, or it can be time sensitive. Like you can create cohorts. So like the card is only open twice a year. If you didn't get in during that time period, then you gotta wait until the next enrollment. It's completely up to you. Then you can do like recurring subscriptions or membership sites to sell digital downloads as well as your courses. And another thing that I like is the fact that you can have free courses and paid courses. So you can use the free courses kind of like a lead generation device and then upsell people into your paid courses. And yes, you can create upsells within Thinkific. So they do have a bunch of marketing tools like coupons, upsells, downsells, cross sells, all that good stuff, and then different pricing options, which I have touched on already. And one of the most important marketing features, in my opinion, is affiliate marketing. You can use Thinkific to manage your entire affiliate marketing program, and that can be game changing. If you can get 1 or 2 super affiliates, then your life has changed. They can refer you like hundreds of customers every month. As long as you keep paying them, they'll keep sending them your way. And the last thing I really like about Thinkific is their deep analytics. It gives you visibility into every step of the process, so you can optimize the touch points that are actually moving the needle for you, and you can make sure that nothing is really serving as like a bottleneck for you growing your course business. Now, those are the main features of Thinkific. Now I want to look at some of the add-ons and integrations. Now, these are really important, especially if you're doing things like email marketing or you're using like a third-party shopping cart tool, etc., etc. These integrations are the difference between really crushing it with your courses and, just kind of coasting along. So they got a couple interesting ones like MailChimp, eWebinar, Zapier. Zapier is like a tool that allows you to connect to hundreds of other tools, and it's really a godsend, especially in all these other platforms that don't have many direct native integrations. So Typeform, Stripe, Segment, Samcart, Mixpanel. Now, Mixpanel is a really, really solid analytics tool. It's just that it's kind of difficult to use. You need a developer to really take advantage of it. So they have a whole bunch of integrations here, and these are just extending your school and really making it more effective at what you're already doing. And so one thing that I do dislike is within their pricing, they have what's called the Pro Plan and the Growth Plan. Now, the Growth Plan is an add-on to the Pro Plan, and usually these plans are unlimited students, unlimited courses. So when you purchase the add-on, the first 100 students are free, and then from there you pay 10 cents per extra user or extra student, and it offers extra features, but I just dislike the way that they implemented it. But a lot of those features you may not even need, right? Because the Pro Plan actually has a lot of solid features. These are kind of like advanced user features that most people won't use. So don't get too hung up on it. You probably won't even need the features present in the growth plan, but if you do and you have a large school, it can get expensive really, really quickly. Now, ease of use. One thing I'll say about Thinkific is that it is pretty easy to use. Now, what we're looking at here is the back end or the login of Thinkific. And once you get in there, there are tooltips and like pop-ups like this one that kind of help you navigate the platform. Well, as you can see to the left-hand side, the menu is pretty clear. Design your site, manage learning content, like that's the main thing. Courses. So, of course, like courses, categories, instructors, video library, share revenue. So it's really easy to understand what's going on in the back end of Thinkific. And that's really, really important when you're using a software like this because there's so many options and it's easy to get lost. So I give Thinkific a thumbs up in ease of use. I also give Thinkific a thumbs up with pricing because they have a free plan. You can try out the basic features and you can start enrolling students and making money without ever having to actually upgrade. Although, of course, the free plan is extremely limited and there are some certain things that you simply cannot do. But the main things, creating a course and getting paid, are available on the basic plan. So you can start there, earn money, and upgrade from the free plan to the basic plan, and then so on and so forth. So it starts at $0, goes all the way up to $499 a month. And then this Pro plan has a ton of really neat. Now, I'd always recommend the Pro plan because it has the balance between features and pricing. And it's actually a bit cheaper than Teachable, which is like $100 and some change for their own equivalent Pro plan, but this one is just $99 a month, and it has like affiliate management, 5 site admin users, etc. If you can't afford $99 a month, there's no sweat. Just click the link down below in the description and get started with your free trial of Thinkific, test it out, earn some money, and then upgrade to the Pro plan once your course starts making at least $99 a month. So one of the things that I really like about the Pro plan is the advanced course pricing options, memberships, and bundles. Like you can charge a membership fee to people like $49 a month. Once you have like 20, 30, 40 people, it really starts to add up and it becomes a tangible source of income. Another thing that I dislike about Thinkific is they're really gung-ho about putting their branding on your school, and branding doesn't get removed until you get to the Pro plan. So that's something that I believe they can work on. And then a lot of the integrations, like integrations with like Active Campaign, etc., are only available on the Pro plan. So this is why I recommended the Pro plan, because so much of the platform gets unlocked there. But that's kind of my pet peeve. Like, email integration should be on the basic plan. That's my personal opinion. That's how I do it at my company. And that is what I feel should be on offer to your customers. That's a personal thing, and it's something that I dislike about Thinkific's pricing. Maybe it doesn't even matter to you. So on the support front, Thinkific has a lot of tools to help you get started. They have a really, really robust knowledge base. They have a lot of tutorials, and they even have a course that'll help you set up your first course, so meta, and make money from that course. But what I dislike is the fact that you could only reach out to them via email, and it's kind of slow. And it's actually hard to find the email submission form. It's kind of like hidden. I had to actually use Google and then come back to Thinkific before I could find it. So they lose points there, but they gain points in the fact that they have a lot of self-help resources. You may not actually even need to reach out to support unless you have like a technical issue. If it's using the application, you won't need help from support. They've laid everything out for you. So it's really easy to find and interact with. So my final verdict is that Thinkific is a really solid tool that combines content, hosting, and marketing tools in a way that helps you grow your business. A lot of these platforms will provide these tools in a way that makes you pay, and it's only them that's growing and it's not really helping you. But Thinkific actually has the features that'll help you grow your business. So it's a bit more premium for the highest tier than some of the other platforms, but it does have the features to back that up. Most users will be on the basic or the pro plan and have their needs covered. And then another thing that I really appreciate is that the interface is intuitive. You won't just be clicking around for hours trying to figure out what to do. It actually works, right? So in the end, I give Thinkific a thumbs up. So if you're thinking about which online platform to choose, go ahead and try out Thinkific. The link is down below and it's free to get started. Let me know in the comments what you think or your own experiences using Thinkific.